Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 8 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the wallpaper and style. And as you can see right here, we've got the preview of the lock screen, and we can change the style of the clock. However, let me leave it because I want to focus on the wallpaper, which is right here. What's more, you've got the colors, which are based on the wallpaper you've got currently set, and simply your device will apply them to the menu, so that's quite a cool option. So the menu can actually fulfill the whole look. All we have to do basically is to tap on more wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got the list of all available albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. You've got also My Photos, which is basically your own gallery, and all you have to do in order to set the particular wallpaper is to actually enter the particular album you'd like to use and find the wallpaper which you like. So let me quickly search through those options in order to set an interesting one. So maybe this one. Simply tap on it in order to check the preview. Wait a second, of course. And as you can see here, we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, so you can see how it will look like with the icons applied. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on set wallpaper. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so the home screen, lock screen, or both, and there will be both options. So let me tap on it. And now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.